Hi guys, today we are going to talk about funnel chart. Actually, you will learn how to turn your simple column chart to beautiful funnel chart. You can use a funnel chart in human resources and marketing, also in other fields of data analytics. For the funnel chart, you should just create stacked column chart first and turn that to funnel chart. For now, we should choose stacked column chart and we need to add data. For example, stage, it shows steps, and for y-axis, our count. We need to remove its background, just visuals. Size and style, remove background. Okay, now grid lines also, it should be off. Okay, we don't see values, we need to value in white color. Okay, it's x-axis also, it looks good for column chart. And for the funnel chart, we know that we need percentage. Now we should create measures that show its percentage, and website visitors its maximum 100% should be website visitors. For that we need to divide conversion percentage. We should divide our count to 100%, that is website visitors. Again, calculate count where website visitors, stage is website visitors. Yes, website visitors. Okay, now we have conversion percentage. We need to add it to here. Okay, it shows percentage, but yes, now, and 0 decimal. Okay, it's good column chart, but how to turn this into a funnel chart? For that we need a custom measure. Why? Because for better look, we need to sort position. Their position should be in middle. Now we need to create new measure, and it can be custom measure for funnel, for example. Funnel, we need switch function. Website visitor is categories, so we need to use max. Max stage equals website visitors. It should be, for example, 10%, minus 10%, and because its position. And stage product views, for example, it can be 0.5 minus its half, conversion rate half, conversion percentage, and we need product views. We just create this measure because of making it look like funnel. For other columns also, add it to cart. Now replace, add to cart. Okay, for initiated checkout also. And completed purchase also. choose, oops, okay, again. And if not, it should turn blank. Okay, our dummy measure, custom measure is ready. We need to sort, okay, and we should sort by conversion rate, conversion percentage. Sort conversion percentage. Okay, yeah, it's good, but yeah, we should change its color. I don't like this color. Now we need to how to copy. Yes, we copy this and pass it to here, and we need to remove other color, just this. Yeah, you can put background color to it, so it is invisible, hidden, and value also. Now we need to open ribbon also, where it's here. Now it looks like funnel. Yeah, we can put its title near the percentage. For that we need to create title measure. It can be stage name, stage is category, so we use max stage, and ampersand with a conversion with percentage. Yeah, it's format, and 0%. Okay, now we need to add it to values, not detail, that detail labels, value of, and detail goodness. Okay, title here. Now it looks okay, and yeah, our funnel chart is ready. See you later.